All right, come with me. We're gonna go visit someone. All right, here we go. It's pretty cold out. Should have wore some proper gear. We're trekking through my backyard. There's one of the cabins we built for the History Channel a long time ago. Back there, somewhere over there, my tree house. I'm gonna probably slip on my butt. We're gonna visit a very special guest. Someone that will be joining us soon in a locale where the weather is far better than what we're experiencing here. A man who is temporarily hunkering down in my backyard with something that's being built for a documentary film. And that man is Housekeeping? Senor Alex Eves.
Yo.
From StayVocal.com.
That's me.
The dweller of one, or in one, box truck, boxtruckfilm.com. Just want to let you guys know, this guy right here, who looks really tall right now,
right, much
is going to
taller
be
than this guy.
It's going to be a guest speaker at the North Carolina Hands-On Tiny House Building Workshop in Regalwood. RelaxShacks.com for the details. Hands-on building. You get to tour this box truck, which we're not going to show you just yet. Other tiny houses on the premises. Y mucho más, translation, and much more. Anything to say to people out there, if you're even in the picture?
Yeah, this snow, stupid. I'm heading to North Carolina where it's a lot warmer. I think Chris Strathy said it was like 80 a couple weeks ago.
Hey guys, my name's Chris Strathy. I'm the Capable Carpenter, and this is my mobile workshop, the Doghouse.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to going down, seeing Chris, Capable Carpenter, Leanne Steven Harrell, your brother.
Andrew Odom, Uncle Mud, Cobb and Earth Building, Sarah McClellan, Treehouse Builder and Dweller.
Oh,
and
man.
There's probably more I'm forgetting, but we're having a lot of people down there guest speakers. You can camp out as well, so make sure you check it out.
Is Shaq showing up?
RelaxShacks.com. Yes, we're going to build a tiny house for Shaq.
RelaxShack.com?
S-H-A-Q. I should buy that domain, actually. Hope to see you guys down there.